In just 2 years, as a team, we have positively impacted careers of thousands of students. Many more such years to come. May God bless you and way to go.
The wall and powerhouse of grit, determination and resilience.
ऐसे तो तू कृष्ण भगवान का बहुत बड़ा भक्त है, लेकिन काफी लोगों के लाइफ में तूने खुद ने कृष्ण भगवान का रोल प्ले किया है।
मस्त पढ़ाता है भाई तू, और तुझे देखकर बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि तू इतना एंजॉय कर रहा है। Just amazing to attend your lectures and keep spreading these smiles.
Words will fail to describe the bond and the love that we both share. Together, we've been through lots of ups and downs.
Well, it's the birthday of our superstar professor, Sir Dhawal Purohit. So, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dhawal.
Happy birthday, brother.
Very, very happy birthday, Chaku.
So wish you a very happy birthday.